Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to post horizontal videos on TikTok. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon. Then tap on Upload. Select your horizontal video you want to upload to TikTok. If you have multiple clips you want to add to TikTok, select all of them. Then tap Next. Now you can edit your video as normal. You can add text and music to this video, but make sure not to add text on the black portion of the video. This makes sure that the video will be playable in the landscape format. Proceed to Next. You can add caption and hashtags to this video. When you're done, tap on Post and the video will be posted. When people watch your video, they will have the option to watch your video in full screen mode. They simply have to rotate their phone and the video will be in landscape mode. And that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.